Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Raymond Marimon, and these are the critical role of measurement and vector in marine biology research. In the realm of physics, understanding the fundamental concept of measurement error and vectors addition is crucial for accurate scientific analysis. These principles form the foundation upon which more complex theories are built. This essay will explore the significance and precise measurement, the inevitability of error, and the practical application of vector addition in various physical contexts. Measurement are the quantitative description of physics quantities in science. Accurate measurement are essential for validating hypotheses and ensuring the repeatability of experiment. Every physics quantities such as length, mass, time, and temperature is measured using specific instruments that offer varying degrees of precision. For instance, rolls might measure length to the nearest millimeter, while a micrometer can measure even final details. In any measurement, there is an inherent possibility of error, which is the difference between the measured value and the true value. Errors can be categorized into main types: scientific and the random errors. Scientific errors is main types: systematic and random errors. Systematic errors and consistence and repeatability increases that occur due to faulty equipment or flawed experimental design. In physics, vectors are quantities that possess both magnitude and direction, such as force, velocity, and displacement. Vector addition is the process of combining two or more vectors to determine a resultant vector. Studying marine biology offers an opportunity to contribute to the understanding and preservation of one of planet's most vital and diverse environment. As the oceans face increasing challenge, the role of marine biologists becomes ever more crucial. A career in marine biology is not just about exploring the wonders of the ocean, it is about making a tangible difference in the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations.